How was it?
We are going to home na. This is
Good.
our mission now in Sharjah, United Arab Emirates.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day.
Hi guys, welcome again to my channel, Delori Vlog. Now we are here in the Al-Noud area. As you can see guys, we are in the difficulty situation. All around is full of water and the water level is come up. So now we are walking and going home. One night we are sleeping in the store, so me and my colleagues decided to go home because we cannot sleep properly there in the store and eat properly. Surround us. You cannot see the road. All water. Okay. Yes, Islam. Now the water level here is not too much high, but that side is until in my hips the water level. Now we are near na in the main road, the highway. Gabihan talaga kami guys paglalakad, as in around 5 PM pa kami naglalakad, tapos ngayon ano ng oras, around 7 PM na. Ay nako, grabe ang tubig. So dito na kami banda sa Jamau Signal, at saka malapit na namin ma-reach yung Al-Wada. So magsa-shortcut na lang siguro kami. Doon kami dadaan sa Aukan 1. Ay, hindi pala, Majes 1 siguro. Tapos going to city center area. So natutuwa pa ang buwang. So dito na kami banda. Jamal is more than water.
Yeah, see.
So in kami naglakad ngayon. So update yan kayo mamaya kung saan na kami banda. Okay? So nanagid mi diri dapit sa Al-Wada guys, sa may city center. Hapit na mi makaabot. Mauna ni ang Dubai ron. May daghan kay nga tangke ilang gipadala sa government para suyupon ng tubig dire. So abot na jud mi dire guys sa among balay. Doon na gid mi sa among room. So bisip sa tanan, bless I hope na nalingaw mo sa pagtanaw sa among channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share Delori Vlog, my YouTube channel. Thank you, bye bye.
This is South Dubai now. Sharjah.
Yes. Come to Dubai, baby.
Teto to go watching any talk this okara. Nagi chudi sutin dame. Yeah. Chudi sutin dame kara me. Na Dubai na ni